What's up, guys? It's Fofo London reviewing another Hellcat Durango. Now, let's take a look at the exterior on this one, because this is a beautiful car right here. As you can see, they went with the gray options with the black stripes and the red outlines on them. As you can see, we got those blacked out Hellcat bags. Now, this is a 2021. Now, up here, this is a like new one. So basically, everything in this car is new, and literally I knew the guy that had it. He sold it because they said he couldn't have it and he could have a house. So that's the reason why he doesn't have it. But as you can see, we have the blackout badge on the side. We got the red brake calipers. And personally, if you come up here and purchase this car and let them know that London sent you, I'll personally come up here and, you know, give you a little $100 gift card. So that's just to the person that wants to buy this car, because personally, I love this Hellcat Durango and I didn't want to see it sitting here in the first place. Now, looking in the back, as you can see, we got the third row seat options. And as you can see, looking into the car, it's a lot of space. And right here, you got even more space. Now, you got all of the features you need up here. You got two handles, everything a sports sedan would need. And this does close itself. So if you close it and you don't close it all the way, it'll close and fix itself. Now, jumping into it. This one is equipped with the Harman Kardon. We got that beautiful, beautiful, beautiful carbon right there. That forged looking carbon. Now, as you can see, it says supercharged when you hop in. Now, the Durango has a little different type of sports pedals. Looking in here, we got that red Laguna leather. Now, let's jump in. As you can see, this car only has 792 miles. This car is not even officially broken in. And if y'all want to know how much it takes to get broken in, it's 1,500 miles. But if she don't stop interrupting my vids, every time I come up here, she just be running her mouth. Now, we got the red leather going throughout the see, she threw me off. Throughout the front, we got the red with the 200 on the dash. And as you can see, we got that beautiful, beautiful screen that I feel like should be in the wide body Charger. Now, going down here, we got those SRT buttons, that launch mode, parking assist off. We got the traction control off. Hold this for some seconds and it'll completely turn off. We got the heated steering wheel. We got the heat. We got cooled seats and heated seats. We got all of the modes you need. Now, up here, we got two USB Type C's, one aux, and two USBs. Diving into here, you got one little space down here that's equipped with a 12 volt. Drop another space down. Hold on. Wait a minute. Yeah, so you hit this one to lift up the black part. You hit this one to keep it down. Now, looking in the back seat, they're full size. Everybody that you know will have enough space. Now, looking at this piece right here, this piece is equipped with the climate controls for the back. This car does come with the sunroof. Now, you ask what makes this car special. Makes this car special is the 710 horsepower that it comes with. And you still get the wireless charging pad right here. Now, this car is equipped with 710 horsepower, and this is also faster than the Trackhawk and the Lamborghini truck. So, my question to you guys is, would you buy a Hellcat Durango over a Trackhawk? And if you were, what would be the modifications you would do to it, and what color would you get? As you can see, this car stands still pretty high. Now, I believe this is still the first set of tires, as you can see. Still almost new. We got 295 45 ZR20s on it. So this is pretty chunky. Going to the back, we still got the same 295s as compared to the wide body 305s. So let's take a look into the back seat. Looking in the back seat, you get a second center console. Yes, I said it, a second center console with another USB port. Also, You get that extra space right there to, I don't know, maybe store a phone. Now, you got climate controls. We got some more. We got lower climate controls, 2 extra USB ports, and heated seats back here as well. So like I said, they don't cheap out. When you buy a car like this, you don't have to worry about them cheaping out or you feeling like you're missing out. You get that same forged carbon lip strip in the back. Let's pull this down. All you gotta do is hit this. That lowers it. You get more space. Now looking in these, you get another 2 extra seats in the back. And yes, I believe 2. For a fact, 2 adults can sit back here. They also have lights, 2 vents right there, 2 speakers in the back, so they do get to enjoy the full quality of the sound system. 2 cup holders, a little bit room off the ground. So if you do want to put extra speakers or some subs back here, you definitely can make it happen right behind these seats. And in some of the Durangos, you can equip the headrest with a TV. We get the same beautiful Harman Kardons in the door speaker as well. You get that kind of dark chrome, because it's not like regular chrome, it's dark chrome up here. And I can tell you, getting into this car is just worth it. Everybody that's interested or in the market to get a Hellcat Durango, make sure you make your way up to Hilltop Dodge. Like I said, if you come by this Hellcat Durango, tell them London sent you. They'll give me a call on the spot. Or y'all can text me on IG at 44LondonX, and I'll come up and give you a $100 gift card so you can enjoy this car. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.